Hello students, good morning. Today in chemistry we discuss about metal. Metal when react with oxygen it is converted to metal oxide. That reaction we have already studied. Okay, chemical property first reaction we have studied about metal react with oxygen. Today we discuss about metal react with water. Metal reaction of water with metal. First reaction. Okay, suppose metal is there. It react with water H2O. So it gives metal oxide. Okay, metal oxide. This metal oxide when react with again water means what? This metal oxide is unstable. It will react with excess of water to give metal hydroxide. Metal hydroxide. This reaction is mostly exothermic. Some reaction are exothermic, some reaction are endothermic, depending upon which metal is it. So first reaction we discuss with sodium and potassium. Suppose sodium is there, Na symbol. This sodium when it react with water H2O, it is converted into Na2, sodium oxide. This sodium oxide then react with again excess of water, so it will give metal hydroxide. So it is NaOH plus H2 means hydrogen gas is evolved. Here also hydrogen gas is evolved, but this reaction is exothermic reaction. So means more amount of heat is evolved. Similarly, in one step we write the reaction of potassium. Suppose potassium metal react with water, so it gives potassium hydroxide plus H2 plus heat. Final product will be what? Instead of oxide, now it is converted to hydroxide. Hydrogen gas is evolved, and this heat evolved is very high. That's why hydrogen react with this heat and explosion reaction take place. So it is very risky. That's why this sodium is kept under kerosene. So we have to keep this sodium under kerosene or paraffin, so that what? It does not catch fire. When it is kept in open, then it takes atmospheric water vapor and react and convert it into H2 gas. An explosive reaction will take place. That's why it is kept under kerosene. Second reaction we discussed about calcium and magnesium. Okay, these metal are somewhat less reactive as compared to sodium and potassium. Okay, so reaction of calcium and magnesium with water. Okay, second reaction, that is reaction of calcium CaNMg with water. So calcium when react with H2O, H2O means what? Cold water you have to. Okay? Calcium when react with water, it gives calcium hydroxide. Formula is CaOH twice. CaOH twice. Here heat is coming, but this heat is very less. This reaction is exothermic, but it is very less. Second thing, other thing which is evolved, that is what? Hydrogen gas. So calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. This heat evolved is very less, so it will not react now with hydrogen gas. So no explosive reaction will form. Similarly, magnesium plus water, it is converted into magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice, plus H2 plus heat. But remember, this heat is very less. This heat is very less. That's why no reaction of hydrogen. The calcium and magnesium hydroxide which is formed will react with this hydrogen bubble. Bubbles of hydrogens are evolved. So this calcium and hydroxide powder will flow on the water and above surface become powder. Okay, so this calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide which is formed, it will come out with this bubble, stick with this bubble, and on the surface it will flow. Okay, so this reaction is not so harmful. First one is very harmful reaction with sodium and potassium. Reaction number 3. Reaction of aluminium, zinc, aluminium, zinc and iron with H2. So these three reactions we will discuss. How this aluminium, zinc and iron will react to form particular hydroxide or oxide. When this H2O react with Al2Zn and this, then reaction is not possible. Why? Because these metals are non-reactive metal. This will not react with H2O. That's why we have to take hot water or steam of water we have to take. Okay, it will react with steam. So first reaction I am writing aluminium when react with H2O, but it is what? Steam. Its temperature is very high of this water. So hot water at high temperature it will react with the aluminium and it will form what? Instead of hydroxide it will form aluminium oxide, Al2O3. Okay, Al2O3. Aluminium has 3 valency, oxygen 2 valency. So you balance Al2O3 plus H2. Similarly, zinc when treated with H2O, okay, steam, it is converted into zinc oxide. Similarly, copper also, NH2 gas is used. Next one, that is iron. Fe when react with H2O, steam, then it is converted into iron has 0 valency here. When it is heated with the steam, then it is converted into ferric oxide. Ferric oxide means iron has a valency 3. Okay, so it is Fe3O4. Ferric oxide formula is Fe3O4 plus hydrogen gas is used. Okay, you can balance the reaction on the oxygen here, it is 4, so it is 4. Fe3, so you make it 3. Hydrogen, then it is coming 8, so here it will be 8H2. So in this way, oxide is formed if water of steam react with this moderate metal, means what? Al, zinc and iron. One layer is formed on the surface of the aluminium, that is known as aluminum. That will make metal inactive. Okay, further reaction is not possible. When this oxide is formed on the particular metal, then it becomes inactive. Third reaction, we discuss the third reaction, that is what? With gold and silver. So if gold and silver react with water, okay, hot water, cold water or steam, then no reaction is going on. So the metal gold and silver are inactive metal. It will not react with the water. So reactivity of the metals, suppose we want to find the reactivity, then we can write the order as under. Okay, reactivity of metal. So first one reactivity, that is potassium. Potassium react very fast. It will react with atmospheric water vapor also. Then comes sodium. That's why it is kept under kerosene. 2 metal. Then comes aluminium. Okay, zinc. Aluminium, zinc. Sorry, that will come afterwards. Second one is the calcium. Calcium and magnesium. then comes aluminium, okay, and zinc, then comes lead, Pb, and then the inert metal will come, that is what, gold and silver. So silver and then comes gold, Au. So this is the reactivity of metal with water. You try to write the reaction and try to write the balanced form. Again I revise in the short. First it will react with sodium and potassium, then reaction is exothermic, very hot, and metal oxide, and then metal hydroxide is formed on the spot. Reaction with calcium and magnesium, it will form calcium hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide. Okay, with aluminium and zinc, it will form oxide, but this reaction take place in the presence of steam. And with silver and gold, there is no reaction with water. So these are the reaction of metal with water. Try to write this reaction and try to balance the reaction. Okay, thank you.